Good morning, guys. Sorry, I'm looking at something. So I have your assignment for today that I'm typing up. It's a Google Classroom, and it's got a video in it, and it's got some notes in it. You have a section here for your name. Then you have a section with notes right here. So read over the notes. Think about the notes you took yesterday. The video, watch the video. Do your problems. This video is directly related to set 1 and set 2's problem, okay? And then set 4 is just about the equation, so you would probably look up at the notes above. You would look up at these notes right here, okay? And I can also, if you are struggling on number 3, sorry, I put it number 2, it should be number 3. Oh, well, it's written. I'll fix the numbering. On this one right here in section 4, if you are struggling with changing 3y plus 6x, and that should say equals, I'll change that to equals 12, you need to rearrange it to equals y equals mx plus b, and there are other videos and other things that have talked about that. You need to go to a prior lesson and look at that. There are several different videos for that I have put up. If you need one, I can send you, if you get on Google Meet, or if you send me a private message, I can send you a video link to it if you send me a private message if you don't understand that particular problem right there. Okay, and then, so I'll renumber all these. So this one, you're comparing the table to the word problem with the equation in it, and you're telling me which one has a greater rate of change, or what's the rate of change for the table, the word problem, and then which one is greater. And then number 4, you've got function 1 and function 2. And then you will answer the following questions, which has the greater y-intercept. Remember, now, while slopes, sign does not matter, and the rate of change sign doesn't matter, the y-intercept does. So a -5 is less than a +5, or a -5 is less than a +3. So the intercept does matter. The sign of the intercept does matter according to value. For the greater rate of change, which one is steeper, the negative and positive doesn't matter. Just look at the absolute value. Okay, we talked about that yesterday. So identify the slope-intercept form for both the graph and the table. Get it into y equals mx plus b. Remember, y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0, and it's where the line crosses the y-axis. So you should be able to answer those questions pretty quickly in comparing the two. It should not take you more than 30 minutes. If it does, please send me a message. I need to know that. But that's your assignment for today. Okay, so let me go back. Let me assign. And then, all right, so let's go back to the stream. All right, of course, announcements for today, the daily announcements from Ms. Leatherwood and a funny little video. The Padlet will be up there if you have questions, but like I said, I'll be on Google Meet. The times for Google Meet today are 10:30 through 2:30. I will have my Google Meet open from 10:30 to 2:30, so that's ample time for you guys to ask me questions. Now, also, I have the Google Meet set up for our classroom. So when it is up here, it's active for you to, that's the one you'll use to log in. Only get on the times that I have designated down here, unless I tell you something different in a private message. But I'm not gonna put the link here anymore. I'll have the times here, but I will not put the link down anymore. We're going to use this link, and it will not be there when my Google Meet is closed off. Okay, so but it will be active when the Google Meet is on. So it's from 10:30 to 2:30. Happy Friday. It's Friday. You have the weekend, only a 4-day week. Remember, you need to get anything that's missing turned in, because I have to post progress reports Monday, so you need to get that stuff done. Okay, I'll probably do it tomorrow or Saturday, post everything up. So if you have a bad grade or a missing grade or whatever that you need to work on, then you need to look in Infinite Campus and see what you're doing and what has been missed. Now we have a whole bunch of other grades that you've done. I just haven't put them all in. Okay. And I'm going to combine some. So you need to ask me questions if you have them tomorrow about your grades, about something you're missing or something you're confused on. I'm leaving it open, and you guys jump on and ask me questions. If you want to retake something, here's I need you to everybody to listen. If you want to retake something, if you need to reassess on it, don't just jump on the Google form and do it, because I've already put grades in. If you need to retake something, you need to send me a message so I can send you a link that you can do that, or you need to let me know, or I'll just say, hey, go ahead and get on, I'll look for it. Because I'm not going to look for it again unless you let me know, because I've already put those grades in. So if you send me a message, then I'll go back in and look. Okay. If you don't, then I'm not. I'm just keeping the grades the way they are. If you have questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. I've talked to a couple of parents about some missing assignments, or students not, completing things, not like a bunch of them, but just like they missed something. So I've been kind of trying to get to people and say, hey, you missed this little assignment and I took it for a grade, or things like that. So look through. If you have an M on your grade, on any of your grades, it's going to count as 0. So go in and get that done, and then let me know that you did it, because I've already dealt with it. Just remember that. But I'll 10:30 to 2:30, I'll have my Google Meet open. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and you have time to relax. Please let me know if you're taking longer than 30 minutes on the assignment. I need to know that. I'm still calling parents about missing grades, and things. Some of it's just checking up on you guys and seeing if you're doing okay. If you need me, send me a message. I may not answer you right away after 3 o'clock, but if it's an emergency, I will. Have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you on Google Meet.